Good morning, children. Today we will study about the importance or need of principles of management. Importance and needs are very similar to significance and utility of principles of management. Whenever a question comes about the importance, need, significance, or importance of principles of management, answer is same for all the questions. So first of all, let's revise the meaning of principles. What do you mean by principle? Principles are the general guidelines which guides the managerial decision and human behavior, right? Principles of management can be modified and improved by any manager in any situation. They are neither absolute nor stable for all times to come. They undergo change according to the changed conditions. So, managers are increasingly realizing and recognizing the need and importance of principles of management. So let's go through them one by one. First is, it provides useful insight to managers. Second, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Third, scientific decision. Fourth, meeting changing environmental requirements. Fifth, fulfilling social responsibility. And sixth, management training, education and research. Now let's go through them one by one and understand the meaning. First is, it provides useful insight to managers. Children, principles of management are the guidelines for manager. Now you know this thing very well. They act as the guideline for managers. These principles improve their knowledge, their ability and understanding of the managers under various managerial situations. The effect of these principles help the manager to learn from their past mistake. These principles guide the managers to take right decision at the right time and at the right place. These principles are very important. They provide insight to managers. Means from their past mistakes, now they know that what they are supposed to do in the current or prevailing situation or in the upcoming or future situation. Right? Because they undergoes various situations. So their knowledge, their ability and the understanding of managers improves with the help of principles of management. This was the first point. Optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. The most important objective of the principles of management is to make proper use of available resources of business. And it also needs to check that is there any wastage of man? Is there any wastage of machine and material? Right? So these principles help in saving time, energy and efforts and also enhances the productivity of various resources. Principles actually facilitate better utilization of human efficiency and physical resources. Is it clear? Now let's go to the third point. Third point is scientific decisions. See, principles of management help in taking decisions scientifically. Decisions must be based on facts, thoughtful and justified in terms of intended purposes. They must be timely taken. If decisions are not taken timely, there will be no importance of taking decision. If time runs, then what's the point left behind taking any decision? So, decisions must be timely, they must be realistic and subject to measurement and evaluation. Principle of management helps in thoughtful decision making. They emphasize logic rather than behind faith. Management decisions taken on basis of principles are free from bias and prejudice. They are based on the objective assessment and situation. Means, see, scientific decisions making. Scientific decision making with principles of management actually are very helpful. How? See, now managers know that when he is supposed to take decision, he should take decision timely and his decisions should be realistic and subject to measurement and should be evaluable also, right? It should be free from bias and this is supported by whom? By principles of management. Fourth point is management changing environmental requirement. See, management or a business organization, you can say, it always works in the environment and we know that environment always undergoes change. It is never static or rigid, right? So that's why the principles of management should also be very flexible so that the management can meet the changing environmental needs. So the fourth point is meeting changing environmental requirements. Although the principles are in the nature of general guidelines, but they can be modified as per the need of management to meet the changing requirements of the environment, right? So in modern time, the principle has been extended to the entire business community. So principles are very helpful so that business can meet to the environmental requirements. They can be changed, they can be altered, they can be modified. Principles of management बहुत ज़्यादा rigid नहीं है, फ्लेक्सिबल है, जब हम चाहें उसमें चेंजेस ला सकते हैं, इसलिए बहुत आसान है उनको फॉलो करना, तो ये इसके इंपॉर्टेंस का एक पार्ट है. नाउ द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज फुलफिलिंग द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट फॉलो करते हुए हम अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी पूरी कर रहे हैं. कैसे? सी, the principles of management increases the efficiency of the managers and enable them to fulfill their social responsibility. Efficiency of managers can make the good quality product and at a reasonable price. So this way they are fulfilling their social responsibilities. This is one of the part of social responsibility now, to provide the good quality products and that too at a reasonable price. So with the help of principles we can fulfill our social responsibilities, because principles की help से क्या हो रहा है, एम्प्लॉयज की एफिशिएंसी इंप्रूव हो रही है, तो वो लोग गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे और उसका प्राइस भी अच्छा होगा, ठीक रहेगा, रीजनेबल रहेगा. तो इस तरीके से हमारी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इंप्रूव होती है, राइट? सिक्स्थ पॉइंट. नाउ द सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च. सी, द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट आर एक्चुअली प्रोवाइडिंग एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग टू मैनेजर बाय एनरिचिंग देयर थियरीज एंड प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. दिस इज वेरी ऑब्वियस. प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं उनकी एफिशिएंसी को, उनके नॉलेज को इंक्रीज करने के लिए. उनको एक हमेशा बताते हैं कि कौन सी सिचुएशन में आपको कौन सा डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. उनके प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज को भी इन्हांस करते हैं. द मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेस ऑन साइंटिफिक जजमेंट ऑल्सो एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट दीज प्रिंसिपल एक्ट एज अ बेस ऑफ डूइंग रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंटल इन मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज. So, since the principles provide organized body of knowledge to perform research and generate more and more knowledge, they have provided new ideas, they have provided imagination and base for research and development. So in order to take advantage of the change, various big companies have established research and development department in their organization. तो बेटा आपने देखा कि मैनेजमेंट के जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं वो ट्रेनिंग में भी हेल्प करते हैं, एजुकेशन में भी हेल्प करते हैं और रिसर्च में भी. ट्रेनिंग जब प्रैक्टिकल सिचुएशंस मिल रही हैं और हम लोग फॉलोइंग वेरियस प्रिंसिपल्स आर देयर व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट management, you're going to study about them in future. Matlab means in the further classes I'm going to explain you each and every principle. Then you will come to know कि actually हम लोग हर एक principle को follow कर रहे हैं. अगर हम principles को follow ना करें तो हमारी efficiency increase नहीं होती, हम लोग proper utilization नहीं कर सकते resources का, managers को proper insight नहीं मिलती है, social responsibility भी fulfill नहीं हो पाएगी उसके बिना. और मैनेजमेंट की ट्रेनिंग, मैनेजर्स को एजुकेशन और रिसर्च में हेल्प करने के लिए प्रिंसिपल्स बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हैं. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंस एंड द नीड्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. इम्पॉर्टेंस मीन्स दैट ये जो प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है ये क्यों ज़रूरी है, इनकी नीड क्यों है, वाई दे आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, इनकी ज़रूरत क्या है. सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स. क्यों ज़रूरी है वो? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये इंसाइट प्रोवाइड करते हैं मैनेजर्स को कि क्या होने वाला है या किस सिचुएशन में हमें कौन सा एक्शन लेना है. देन दे हेल्प्स इन द ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जिनके थ्रू हम अपने काम को डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है. और ये कह लो कि हर किसी को काम जो हम डिवाइड करें, वट एवर वर्क वी आर डिवाइडिंग इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड्स एंड द कैपेसिटी एंड द स्किल्स ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. तो ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज बहुत अच्छे से होती है. साइंटिफिक डिसीजंस मीन्स प्रिंसिपल्स ये सिखाते हैं मैनेजमेंट को कि डिसीजंस हमें बहुत लॉजिकली लेने चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम बायस. एंड प्रिंसिपल्स ये भी बताते हैं कि अगर एनवायरमेंट चेंज हो रहा है तो हमें कैसे अपने प्रिंसिपल्स को मॉडिफाई करना है इन ऑर्डर टू बी सक्सेसफुल चेंजिंग सिचुएशंस में. एंड प्रिंसिपल्स ऑल्सो हेल्प इन फुलफिलिंग द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑल्सो, एंड इट ऑल्सो गिव्स ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च. Research facilities also provided by the principles